Welcome to How to Basic Apex. Today we are going to talk about shared components in Oracle Apex and what you can do with them. Go to your application, click on Shared Components. We'll start with User Interface. Click on User Interface Attributes. Here, you can change the logo of your application, edit the text that is displayed, and how it's displayed. Change the URLs for the home and login pages. If you decide to create another home page, you will need to update the page number here, adjust how the navigation menu is displayed, top or side, and its style. Lists, you can find this. Click on Navigation menu. At the top, you can change the logo and page name. Below, you can change the page number to a different one. If you want to move the page under another parent entry, you can do it here. You can also change where the page is going. For example, if you want the page to link to a Wikipedia page, you can change the target type, enter the URL. Other components. Here, you can add plugins for your application. You can find plugins on GitHub or on the Oracle Apex site. Oracle offers a few free samples, but for the rest, you may need to create an account or pay. REST data sources. Here, you can add data sources other than the internal database. For example, you can add an API from OpenWeather, so you can display external data. To do this, click on Create, click Next, enter a name and add the URL of the endpoint. Click Next and check if the base URL is correct. Click Next again. If your API returns a lot of data, you can manage this with the available options. Click Next. Here, you need to authenticate your API. Most APIs require a login, but OpenWeather doesn't, so turn authentication required off. Click Discover. Here you'll see if you have data. In this example, the URL doesn't include a valid key, so it doesn't work, but normally you'd see data here. Click Create REST Data Source. Now your data source is added. To use it, go to a page. Set the data source to REST source. Select the REST source. Now you can use the data from this source. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. We also have other instruction videos like this one on our channel at How to Basic Apex. So subscribe to stay updated and like the video if it was helpful.